Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Elon Musk, aka the P.T. Barnum of the electric car world, has promised to give Tesla's investors a look at the company's long-hyped but never actually seen full self-driving technology during Tesla's first Autonomy Investor Day. The event, which will be live-streamed because, Tesla, is taking place at the company's headquarters in Palo Alto today, and we're really curious about what it is we're actually supposed to see. Infiniti seems to have been building more concepts than cars lately, but it seems like that might change in the near future. Fancier Nissan confirmed that it would be building all its electric cars in China within the next 3 years. The first electric model it plans to produce there would be based on 2018's Q Inspiration concept, which we originally saw, and liked, in Detroit. Even for many of us die-hard car people, it's getting harder and harder to not feel like kind of a jerk for taking sports cars out and blasting them around the track just for fun, only to pump tons of extra carbon into the atmosphere. Thankfully, Porsche has found a way to let us have our cake and eat it too with its Porsche Impact Carbon Offset program. All 425-ish vehicles at both Porsche Experience Centers as well as its subscription car fleet are already enrolled. Now, if only we could find a way to offset the damage its cars make us want to do to our finances. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.